time for the healing of the wounds has come. The moment to bridge the chasms that divide us has come. The time to build is upon us. Nelson Mandela. For your November 11th ceremony, our collection, We Remember, contains quotes, songs, and poems that you and your students can perform at this year's assembly. The entire collection is touching and beautiful and easy to learn for young classes and choirs. The songs will be a heartwarming tribute to all veterans. We offer this collection as either a printed book with an enhanced CD or as a digital download. The CD includes full performances and accompaniment tracks. A projectable PDF is included for you to use in your class on your computer, projector, and smartboard. Lest we forget those who bravely fought for freedom, and join us in honoring their great sacrifices with the songs and poems of remembrance.